Okay. Humans are known for our hunting ways, whether it's foraging in the forest or for plants or hunting for meat. It is a tradition that has been passed down from generation to generation and has been here for most of our ancestors even to come to this land.
What you said can be taken in certain ways, such as you only care about the population of the world rather than what that world actually means. The planet is what I constitute as the world, and it will not be a healthy place if we only ate plants and some byproducts of animals, such as dairy products. According to Harvard Health Publishing, what vegetarians think about is that vegetables and other plants are also living organisms, and one of the reasons most people become vegetarians is due to them not wanting to kill an animal or animal cruelty. But what about the plants that they are killing?
Also, meat is one of the best sources of protein and other nutrients. You need lots of substitutes to cover that, not to mention they take longer to find and digest properly. Due to an article in Time by Jeffrey Kluger, in a study in 2016, it was shown that processing and eating meat came naturally to humans. With trying to have a plant-based diet, it was found that unlike all the websites online that say that one of the reasons to become vegetarian is the cost of the diet was less than a meat-based one, which is not true. When you go into a store, you find that if you get the same weight of meat and plants cost more than the meat does, though there's usually more meat than there are plants. Essentially, you are paying more money for less food. Also, there are things that go into and on both plants and animals that could help or hurt our health as a transition between a meat-based and a plant-based diet.
But I will have to say that there are benefits to being all levels of a vegetarian. One type of vegetarian is vegan, otherwise known for only eating plants with no animal byproducts consumed. If you ask a vegan, they would say something along the lines of a plant-based diet is healthy, varied, and exceedingly satisfying in that not for nothing. It spares animals from the serial torments of being part of the human food chain. One benefit, if the world became a plant-based diet society, is that we would provide more jobs due to the time and dedication it takes to produce the amount of plants needed to feed the world.
So basically overall, we should have our diets be plant-based and meat-based equally.